Hey guys, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, and today's adventure we're at the 29th annual 18th century market fair that's at Fort Frederick State Park. 98 vendors here and a tour of the fort, so I thought I'd bring you along so you could check it out. Let's go get started. Of course, one thing I've got to do every time I come here is go to this bakery where they cook the bread right here and get a soldier's portion. It's good. It's ridiculously good. Worth the 3-hour trip here. People talk about the good old days. If those signs in there of the labor was any sign of the good old days, I'm glad we're not there anymore.
In high Germany. Oh, Willie, dearest Willie, come listen what I say. My feet, they are so tender, I cannot march away. Beside my dearest Willie, I am with her.
Now, you know, even back then, they had to have their coffee. Wow, we made it back to the truck, and that was a quick turnaround. I didn't spend as much time here as I wanted to, but it was a good trip nonetheless. I get to see several people here that this is the only event that I ever get a chance to see them at, and because of schedule conflicts, I haven't been here in about 2 years, so it was good to catch up with some old friends. One of the publishers from a magazine that I wrote an article for, Self-Reliance. Anyway, he was here, the Daniel Boone shop, the Sampsons, anyway, several different people that it's not very often I get a chance to see them. They're all good people. So it was a good day, but I'm back at the truck and get a little bit of refreshment, and I may call it a day. The rain has parted, the sun is out, and it's getting humid. Yeah. All right, guys, I know that wound up being more of a slideshow than it did a video, but I hope you take the time to pause and read some of that information. That was pretty good. I was getting ready to head out, and Amy Sampson of Sampson's Historical and Colonial Outfitters, she encouraged me to go back to the bread bakery that was doing that bread in that brick oven and get the rabbit something. I forget what it was, but anyway, it's a piece of bread with melted goodness all over it, and then that salty pork meat. But they were sold out. I picked up some gifts. I did what I came here to do, looked around quite a bit. It was a fascinating tour. If you've never been here, I encourage you to do that, and even check out the Sampsons website. It's pretty good stuff if you're into this type of a reenacting type atmosphere. So thanks for joining me for this one. I'm going to head home. It's several hours to get back home, so I'm going to get a head start. And y'all take care. And until next time, I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, home of global safety and survival. God bless.